Now we check out the Filament Friday 3D Print Toolkit. This isn't just a regular 3D printing toolkit that you can get anywhere. Not only does it contain a digital caliper, a deburring tool, and even a cutting mat, the best part is it comes from one of our community members, Chuck Hellebuyck. And if you don't know Chuck, you can check out all his information in the description below. Chuck puts out a video every week for Filament Friday on electronics, 3D printing, and Tinkercad. And just to give you an idea of how cool Chuck's content is, the guy has his own Arduino Uno clone called the Chipino. How cool is that? Now let's get into this kit and see what it has to offer. First off, just check out the front. It has a Benchy on it. Sold. On the back, there's a list of all the things the kit contains: your digital caliper, a removal tool, an X-Acto cleanup type knife, a cutting mat, a deburring tool, some diagonal wire cutters, needle nose pliers, some glue stick, a file, a wire brush, and a pouch to put everything in. So let's open it up. Right out of the box, we have our tool pouch that says Filament Friday on it, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We have our side cutters, definitely a necessity when you're loading filament. We have 3 different types of brush: a plastic bristle, a brass, and a stainless. We've got our deburring tool and 5 replacement blades. We've got some Avery brand glue stick, always useful. Some needle nose pliers. We've got a part removal tool. These come in handy all the time. We've got a small file. Our digital calipers. They're plastic, but they're still calipers. Our X-Acto knife set with a whole bunch of replacement blades. And a nice size cutting mat. It's about 2-3 millimeters thick. And what kit would be complete without your own Filament Friday sticker? Now, of course, I can't review this kit yet because I haven't been able to use it. But at first look, you get a lot of stuff for the money. You do get digital calipers. They're plastic, but they're definitely going to be good enough to help you rough in a part when you're using your CAD software. Also, the deburring tool, it comes with a lot of extra blades, and it's a lot higher quality than most of them that you see. I've been using these for years now, and they come in very handy. All these other tools are definitely necessities that you need when you 3D print. So I'm pretty excited that these are now available on Amazon. And for $40, you can get one of your very own. Link in the description below. Now, I did pay for this one with my own funds, and all opinions expressed are my own. But Chuck did offer to send me one of these free of charge, and I want to give that kit to you. So all you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and in 1 week, I'll select one of them at random, I'll get a hold of that user, and then I will ship you your very own Filament Friday toolkit wherever you are worldwide. Thanks, Chuck. Keep up the great content, and good luck with all of your Filament Friday products. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. If not, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and good luck on the giveaway. I just love new tools.